Here is how to add friends on Roblox. So this guide works both on mobile and PC, but I'll be using PC to demonstrate, and this process is same on either device. So first, you need to launch your web browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now on the Roblox homepage, look at the top of your screen and you'll see your friend list and the connect option. So go ahead, tap on connect, which is indicating the plus icon. Now from here, you'll get 4 different sections of connections, following, followers, and request. You can go to the request section and then filter out the people that have sent you request and tap on accept if you want to be friends with them on Roblox. Otherwise, you can tap on ignore. Go to the connections tab and you can also go ahead and use the search bar to search for connections, or you can use the search bar in the top of the screen and search for the username of the person that you want to add in your Roblox account. Go ahead and open their profile. And here you'll get the option of add connection, which is highlighted in blue color. Tap on that. Or you can also tap on those 3 dots and there you'll get the option of follow. And once they accept your request, they'll be added to your friend list instantly. And if you're age verified and over 18, Roblox offers extra connection features like trusted connections. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.